Hello everybody, my name is Achinta Sharma and today we will be creating Aarti Sagar, which will play Aarti of gods like Ma Durga, Shiva and Ganesh ji, Hanuman ji. So let's start. So you have to give your project name as Aarti Sagar. Here I am giving Aarti Sagar. You can give anything you want. Okay, Aarti Sagar like this. And click on save. Now it has saved. Now go to design and you will find one option, image here. Choose upload file. Then you have to take images of some gods like this I have taken. So select this image here, Ma Durga. Then you have to drag and drop two images over here like this and make their width as 70. This one also you have to make as 70 like this, and upload one image in the first image. So this is the bell image, and over here you have to upload this flower image, this one, like flower image. Okay, it has uploaded. Now drag and drop three buttons over here, 1, 2 and 3. Now make these images a bit down like this and change the text color. Here the text color, where it is, okay, this one, make it as black. Now it will look very good like this. So here also we will do the same thing, change the text color to black. Now copy and paste this, Control V. Now here you have to make it as Control V. Okay, you have to make it as Control black. Now make this one as play, and make this one as stop, make this one as next. So here our app will be like this. When somebody click on the bell image, it will play the bell ringing sound, and when somebody click on the flowers image, it will display the flowers, and when somebody click on the play button, it will play the Aarti, and when somebody click on the next button, it will take them to the next screen. So you have to drag and drop here 4 images like this, and now upload the same image that we have uploaded in the below like this, then upload them like this. Now make sure you make all of them as hidden. Make this one also as hidden, and you have to make this one also as hidden. Okay, now when somebody click on the flower images, this should be visible, and this, when somebody click on the bell image, the bell sound should play. So go to code and drag and drop one on event here, then select ID as button 1. When somebody click on the button 1, it should play the sound of Aarti. It should play Aarti. So go here, make new sounds, upload file here, and you have to go to desktop here like this, and this Durga Aarti .mp3, it has uploaded. Choose this, and now again you have to go to on event. When somebody click on the stop button, we have to stop the sound. So drag and drop it here like this, choose, make new sounds, and you have to choose this sound only. And when somebody clicks on the next button, we have to take them to the new screen. So go to design, click here new screen, and go to the bottom of here and select set screen and do here screen 2. And when somebody clicks on this one, this button, image 1, is, you have to play the bell sound. So image 1, you have to play the bell sound. So select this play, choose make new sounds. Here you have to upload the bell sound. Go to download, then this one. See, it has uploaded. Now go to here, and when somebody clicks on the flower button, image 2, we have to make this visible. Image 3, image 4, image 5, image 6. So image 3, then drag and drop 3 more here like this. 3, then 4, 5, 6. So 4, and this one is 5, and this one is 6. So you are done till this much. Now go to design and select screen 2. Now here you have to upload the Shiva image. So click on upload file. Now you have to upload the Shiva image over here like this, then upload this Lord Shiva. Then again you have to do the same thing over here like this. Take these images, make this as 70. But here we are going to do some changes over here. So what we have to do here is the bell image will be same, but we have to upload the new flower image over here, because we can't display the same flower image for every screen. So go here and select this folder and this flower image. Now choose it, and you have to drag and drop 3 buttons. In the buttons also you have to make some changes, is that you have to set the button background color, like it will become same. So make it as Canyon like this, then copy it, okay, Canyon like this, and here also you have to make it as Canyon. Then Control C, you have to copy it, and here you have to paste it like this. Now you have to name this button as play, then this one as stop, and this one will be next like this, and then drag and drop 4 image sprites like this. OIP, then this one also will be OIP. Okay, select this image. Okay, you're done till this much. Now you have to make them hidden like this. Make all of them hidden. Okay, now what we have to do here, when somebody clicks on this play button, we have to play the Shiva Aarti. So select the button ID. The button ID is button 4. Okay, now select play sound and click on choose. Here make new sounds, upload file. Now do your desktop and this one. Okay, there you have to select this folder, open, and this one Shiva Aarti over here like this. It is uploading this one, and when somebody clicks on this one button 5, we have to stop it. Okay, we have to stop the sound, like choose sound, stop sound is Shiva Aarti. Okay, and when somebody click on the next button, we have to take them to the new screen, this screen 3. So make it as set screen to screen 3. Okay, like this, and the same code we did in this Durga screen. You have to just make this one when somebody clicks on this button, you have to play the sound of bell ringing. So again, image 7, somebody clicks on image 7. Wait, I have took the wrong one. Image 7. Okay, now we have to play the sound over here, like choose, make new sounds, and this bell sound. And flower code, we have to do the same one we did in Durga screen. That is, somebody clicks on this one, image 8. Wait, this we have to show this element like 1. Put 4 show elements because there are 4 flowers here, and this is image 9, image 10, image 11, image 12. So make this as image 9, then image 12. Okay, you can make like image 10, then 11, then 12. Okay, you're done with this much. Now go to design and select new screen and upload here. Wait, you have to upload here Ganesh picture. So this one, upload it like this. Now you have to do the same thing over here also. Just drag and drop this, and you have to write the same code that we wrote for Shiva screen, like the same code, and I will show you how it will work. So let me just go and I will show you how it will look after you have created it. So this is my project. I have created it like this. Now when I click on run, when I click on bell, it will play the bell sound like this, and flower will get display over here. And when I click on play button, it will play the aarti. So sometimes some error will come in your app that it will not respond to the stop button. So what we have to do for that is, when it is not responding, just refresh your program like I did. Now it will say the aarti after some time. Now click on stop, it stops. And next, this is the Shiva screen, and it will play the Shiva aarti over here. And flower will come like this. Then I click on next. This is Ganesha screen, and it will play the Ganesh aarti over here like this. And click on next. Now this is the final screen, Hanumanji screen. So here you can make flower visible and play Hanuman aarti like this. It will take some time. So when I click on the back button, it will take me back, and when I click on this, it will take me back. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like, and you can share this app with your relatives or anybody. And if you want to share your app, scan the QR code over here given with your camera, or just copy this link like this and Control C, then go here and do Control V. Now when I click enter, it shows me my app, like how it will look in my phone. So it is like this. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you everybody.